Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your blood sugar when you eat apple pie? Apple pie contains both simple and complex carbs that can spike your blood sugar. Simple carbs like added sugar can quickly raise your blood sugar, while fiber-rich complex carbs like apple peels can slow the absorption of other carbs. You can adjust your apple pie recipe to include more fiber and less sugar to help minimize the impact on your blood sugar levels. Even though apple pie contains some fiber, it also has a lot of sugar and other simple carbs, so it is likely to raise your blood sugar, though perhaps not as much as other desserts. To make apple pie more blood sugar friendly, you can use less sugar, more apples with the skin on, whole grain flour, and less high sugar additions like ice cream. Monitoring portion size and considering the rest of your meal is also important if you have diabetes. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.